Hi everybody, and welcome to video 5 of Geometrical Folk Art. As you can tell by the board, it's time for the flip through. Now this isn't that big of a project, so it's not going to be that long of a flip through, but it was just such a fun project. I wasn't going to do a flip through, but then it was so much fun to do and it turned out so cool. I thought that I would do one. So now this project was not meant to be anything like new and spectacular or whatever. It was just meant to be fun and have fun with. And so that's what we did. On the top here is a CD cover with a card. If I'd have realized at the moment, I would have turned it the other way and put a tab on it. But here's the card. The inside matches the cover. And then you open it, and there's a card here. Some of these are a little snug, and I may have to leave them out until we're done and then go back and put them back in. And then you open this one, and there's a card here. And there's a pocket here that I didn't put a card in. This big giant triangle is a card. You can write on the back. It's so much fun. Big giant triangle is a card. And then you turn this page. And wow, the explosion of color. I just love this kit. Oh, let me tell you. It's by Scraft Key Edition. It's called Geometrical Whimsical Folk Art. And you can get it on Etsy. And the link will be below the videos. All 5 videos. Okay. And then on this one we have this ginormous writing card that comes out from under the big ginormous belly band. With space to write on the back. I love how big everything is. The journal is 11¼ inches tall, and it is, let's see, 5½ is half, and then let's see, from the center to the edge of here is 7 3/8, and to the edge of here is 7½. You got 5½ plus 1/4, and then another inch for the tab. Okay, so on this side here, this opens up way up, all the way to there, and then here is a waterfall with places to write underneath each one. So that's just too fun. I love the colors and the crazy combination, and I'm sure everybody thought, oh, those are papers we never thought Terry would work with. And I love these right at the side. See, then you open it like this. Woohoo. And these 2 magnets normally hold this shut, probably because I was flinging it around everywhere. And on this side you have 2 large cards with tabs. Get in there. On this side, these are 2 belly bands. This shape right here reminded me of a bird for some reason. I don't know why. You take this out, and you've got this. And if you take this out, then you'll see that it's all matched, and it's one big piece. And put these back in. She says confidently. There we go. And then you'll notice the tabs And there's pockets underneath. Get in there. Wiggle, wiggle. And then there's a card up here. It's on the back. Place to write. Tried to do it so that there were places to write, even though it's an explosion of color. And that's kind of what I liked the most about it. Pull that one out so they match. On this side are 2 large cards. And then this goes all the way up as one piece. You can write on this side, and you can write on that side. And you can write on that side. And you could write on this side a little bit if you wanted to. Sorry about the board sliding everywhere. On this side, I stamped the whole thing. I was going to stamp it with a geometrical pattern, then I realized that's just too much. You know what I mean? Too much. So this is a stone pattern, and I used this stamp and this stamp pad, or platform pad, whatever you want to call it, and it's 6 by 8. I had so much fun with it. That's how big the stamp is. Almost 6 by 8. So I stamped it all the way around everywhere, and then I inked it all in black. This is black as well. It's not gray. And then this flips open way up here, and you have a place to write. Love these colors. And then you have a place to write here. And you go down, and then you'll notice this little black tab sticking out, and you have a card here with a place to write on the back. And then you flip to the back, the very last page, and wow, we've got tall again. Wow, wow, wow. We've got this great big card. Places to write. I just love this kit. I made a comment to them. I didn't just give it a good review. I actually sent them a comment through the system, through the Etsy system, and told them how much I love this kit. I actually bought 2 more kits from this particular person, and I love them all 3 of them, and I'll probably go back and get more. One is bricks, like brick walls, bricks, different kinds of bricks, and that would be good to mix with something else. And then the other one, I don't remember what it is, but I know I liked it. This one has a lot of space to write, front and back. These remind me of butterflies. These are flowers, which is kind of funny added in, but I like it. So that's it. That's our geometrical folk art made with the kit called Geometrical Whimsical Folk Art. And I hope you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun making it. And yeah, that's it right there. I will see you in the next video series. And that'll be just a second for you and a day for me. Okay, bye-bye.